Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Natalia.Armoni, and I'm back with another hair tutorial today. So today I'm going to be installing this wig straight out the box. No bleaching, no dyeing. I did pluck a little bit, but the wig does come pre-plucked. And yeah, so if you guys want to see me install this wig straight out the box, then keep on watching. Hey guys, so I hate coming up on here looking like this with my bald cap. But before we get started on the install, I want to do a quick unboxing for you guys. So as you can see, this wig that I'm about to install is from Victoriaswig. So I got the 18-inch 360 lace wig. Oh, this is so cute because you matter. So the hair comes packaged in this little cute bag. I'm gonna unpackage the hair last. So what else comes in this package? Like, the girl got you set, okay? Like, you ain't even gonna have to go to the store at all. Like, everything you need is in this box. It came with this nice little bag, and inside the bag it has a rat tail comb. Always need that. Oh, it also comes with a silk wrap, so your hair can be nice and laid. I love that. She also included two baby hair brushes. These are always needed because mine always ends up getting like dirty from the gel and glue and stuff, and then I just throw them away. You don't even feel the need to clean it. What else is in here? I love goodies. So I'm just so excited about this. Okay, ooh, so she also included a little spatula so you can lay your glue and smooth it out nice and evenly. It has two sides. This is the bigger side and this is the smaller side. And lastly, it included a pair of tweezers, and these are not no cheap tweezers, sweetie. These are some really good slanted tweezers that I needed, okay? Also, she provided not one but two different wig caps. Two in each pack. So she gave you 4 free wig caps, okay? That is great, especially because she offered 2 different tones, because if you're darker skin, you may want to go ahead with this one, but if you're more medium to light skin, you may want to use this one. And you can also use this one if you're dark skin too, because you can just do like I do and just put foundation on it. Also included a little brochure where it has this brand of the store, how to care for the hair, how to store the hair. I think this is the best package by far that I've ever received. So now we're going to open up the hair. And I always love when companies put the hair on, when they include these little bags, because I always find myself, as soon as I take off my wig, I put them right back into the bag. And if I want to re-put the wig on, I know exactly where it came from. So along with the wig, it also came with elastic bands, so you can attach to your wig if you want to wear your wig glueless. See this wig, honey? Like I said, I received a 18-inch 360 lace wig, and this is a loose wave. Will of course be sure to leave all the details on the hair down below. But look at her. She is cute. So with the 360s, if you guys don't know, the lace goes all the way around, so you can pull her up into a ponytail and do all them cute styles. And it does give you more lace in the front. No, with the frontal wigs, they really only give you lace from like a U where you can part it, but with 360 wigs you can part it down as far as you want. And I just love this curl. Ooh, I'm so excited. So excited. So excited. I already did my wig cap methods off camera as usual. So I'm going to be installing this wig straight out the box. I'm not going to do anything to it because the knots already come kind of bleached. And we want to see her straight out the box. Like, I never really install my wig straight out the box, but I'm confident in this wig and I'm pretty sure it's going to look great. The only thing that I am going to do is I'm going to pluck a little bit more, because I think I'm going to do like a ponytail style. You know, other than that, I'm not going to bleach the knots. I'm not going to dye the hair. I'm not going to do anything to it but pluck. So, be right back. Okay, now that we cut the air tabs off, you already know we can get to work. I'm be using my boho glue today and my new little spatula. Let me just say, this right here, this is about to be in all my videos, okay? Every single one. This thing smoothed out my glue so good. Also, these tweezers, baby, I just plucked the mess out of my wig with these tweezers. Like, these tweezers are the GOAT right now. Like, girl. Okay, this is what my baby hairs are giving today. I honestly feel like I do different baby hairs every time I install my wig. But back at this again with the silk scarf. You can go ahead and wear it tossed over to the side like this. You can go ahead and do a half up. I also could have put it all the way up in the ponytail. Ponytail if you want it, or you could do like a cute bun. The styles are really unlimited. You really can do whatever you feel with this wig, straight out the box. Okay, no customizing, nothing. And the hair is so freaking soft. I got like 3 strands, but it may be because when I plucked it, I really wasn't trying to brush through it because I didn't want to mess up the curl. But the curl did mess up a little bit right here. And I can just like flipped over messy look. Okay guys, so that's it for this video. If you want to purchase this wig, all information will be down below. Be sure to check out the description box. Also, while you're down there, go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you're not already subscribed. What are you doing, sis? Subscribe, okay? Also, give this video a thumbs up if you like it. And I want to thank Victoriaswig again for sending me over this beautiful wig. I am so in love with it. As you can see, this wig is just beautiful straight out the box. Like, and then also thank you for all my goodies. And if you guys did not know, the goodies that come inside the box are not just for YouTubers. Anybody who orders that wig, that is what comes in your package. So that is a major plus. Like, I'm telling you, like, free stuff along with your wig, sis. How could you beat that? So again, check out that description box down below to check out Victoriaswig. So yeah guys, I promise you would not be disappointed if you do decide to order your wig from Victoriaswig. I love you all like always, and I see you in my next video. Mwah.